Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel and to the series Functional English. Every language has a certain set of word groups that would help a speaker perform certain set of functions. That's how one becomes more fluent, expressive and master the language. So in this video we're gonna learn how to express ability in present, past and future tenses in English. So let's begin. Talking about present ability, we can use can or be able to. Let's see examples. I can speak 3 languages fluently. She is able to solve complex math problems easily. They can run a marathon without stopping. He is able to fix any computer issue. We can cook traditional dishes from our country. So now let's see, talking about past abilities, we can use could or was able to. The examples we can take here. I could read by the age of 4. She was able to finish the project before the deadline. They could hear the music from across the street. He was able to lift the heavy box on his own. We could understand the lecture even without the slides. So now let's see how to talk about future ability using will be able to. So first example you can see, I'll be able to travel abroad next year. She'll be able to drive after her birthday. They will be able to participate in the competition. He will be able to join us once his shift ends. And last one, we will be able to afford a new car soon. So this is it friends, talking about ability. For more videos on functional English, please subscribe to our channel, like it and give your valuable comment and feedbacks and share it to others as well. Meet you in the next video.